Hey, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to cover how to make a core website update. What does that mean? It means that from time to time, WordPress is going to send you, the website owner, a core update. And within a certain amount of time, you have to make the update. So for instance, I can tell that if I go to the top of the page, there's like a little warning here sign saying WordPress 5.9 is available. Please update now. Although you could click on this, what I would encourage you to do is check that you've got website backups running on the back end. If you're with empathyhost.com, you've got the website host running the backups on a daily basis. If you're running something like GoDaddy or a third-party website hosting service, check and make sure that the website host has daily backups. If they don't, make sure that your website has some sort of backup tool. You can use a number of plugins. So you can always check by going into your plugins and making sure there's some sort of website backup tool. This staging website does not have it. We don't need a website backup tool on the front end. We've already got one on our website host, but you can easily check by clicking on plugins, add new, and if you go to the add new section, you can add a website backup tool on your own. This isn't the purpose of this video. I just wanted to show you how to update it, but I think it's really necessary that you do install some sort of backup tool. So on the top right hand side here, I just typed in backup. This is where I'm looking for a keyword, and it's pulled up a number of different backup plugins. So there's one called Updraft, there's one called Jetpack, BackWPup. Make sure you do your research or speak to your account manager to find out what kind of backup you should apply to your website. So before you engage in any of this core website backup, the core website updates, you have some sort of backed up solution, because just in case your website does go down, you need that backup to restore the website. Otherwise, you're going to be a fresh fish out of water. So let's go ahead now and return back to the dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and click on please update now, this link here, when I get back to the main website dashboard. Okay, and here we are, we're back. So now the next step, what I'm going to do is click on please update now. So I'm going to move my cursor and just click on that. It's going to take me to a new screen here, and it's going to show me all this other information. So current information, here we go. An updated version of WordPress is available. Please make sure you back up your database, just like we talked about a second ago. And if you need help with, you can go there. But of course, you can also go to your account manager at MKWay. If you don't want to go to that person, you can also look it up online. There's plenty of other YouTube videos out there that will provide you with this kind of information. I'm going to go ahead and just click on update the version 5.9. And it's going to take me through the next steps here. It's now going to initialize and start installing the new version. And when it's done, it's going to reload this page, and hopefully the website will be ready to move into this new version of version 5.9. So let's go ahead and see. Let's go check this out. Here we go. Looks like it's loading, and it's updating the WordPress. Here we go. WordPress is at the latest version. Okay, fantastic. Okay, and that's exactly what I wanted to hear. In some cases, you'll actually get a drop down of information, and it'll include what this version has as well as the SDK. And that's it. Let's go back to where we were. Let's go click on the dashboard again. Here we go. And we're done. Looks like we made that update. That's awesome. And how do you know it's been updated? When you get that message that we got there before, you'll notice that you are on the latest and greatest WordPress version. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this particular video, and I'll see you on the next video.